This is how it came in the mail. It's actually raining right now. This is how Amazon shipped it to me. Link will be in the description below. It's raining outside, and when Amazon used to come by the post office, it at least would be put in a bag if it was raining. And they shipped it in the actual box. Kind of sucks because all my neighbors now can see what I bought if they knew what the heck they were looking at. So the box is a little bit soggy, kind of ridiculous, I think. So I'm gonna rub it on the floor. I actually had another box too that came in for another review on About Radio, and it's soaking wet. So let's try it out. This is gonna be in the background of my live streams now. Plus I just think it's kind of cool. Maybe I can send notes when I'm not home to whoever's home. I paid $100. I feel like they're only worth about $89. I feel like they will go on sale eventually. What's this? Curtain lights. Prepare to unbox your DIY light magic. Looks like I can write something on that. Packaged really nice. Wouldn't have handled the water very long. That's still heavy. 3 boxes and then it becomes empty. This looks like the power cord. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to leave these out for a little bit to straighten. Just wish it could be USB. That is kind of heavy. That's heavy. Input 25 watts. That ain't too bad. That is heavy though. That could bust through a window for sure. I guess that's all I can compare it to. A hook. Must be the hooks to hang it up. Okay, so we have screws, little tiny screws. We have a screwdriver, just Phillips in case you didn't have one, plus sign. And then a bunch of hooks. Looks like they have a, whoa, we're not using that. Them stab into the wall, must be the end, one on each side. And then we have ourselves more ends. They must go wherever you want them. Giving you options. 3M tape. I like that option a lot better. Looks like we have a hook. Multiple hooks. Looks like you put these together. No, you don't. Where's the other half? Oh, I grabbed 2 of the same halves. I see you in there. Yep, we had to do it. Here's the other half. It sticks out a little bit. This half doesn't. Hopefully it comes apart once I put it together. Okay, so you put the hook in there. Hook goes on that side. Then you squeeze it together. The lights must go right through there, and then that must be the strand that comes down, and that hook stays in there. I'm not pushing them together because I don't think they'll come apart. Come back apart. Them feel pretty heavy duty. I'm gonna put them back into the box later. Okay, here we go with these. Oh, I like the feel of these. They're like silk. So they'll straighten up by themselves most likely. That's nice. That's high quality there. Still don't know about $100, but the floor is wet over there. Your journey begins now. Let's connect. And there's the app. I already have the Govee app. I have a lot of Govee products with a lot of success with them. Seamless nails, control box power adapter. We're going 5 foot wide by 6 foot 6 tall. Telling you how to put them together. Actually, it looks like you put them in between. Wonder why it has an outlet on it. That's weird. Seamless nails. Probably gonna be the most reliable. Okay. See if this just screws right in. Does it have a right way? Yep. Hopefully you guys can see that. The brightness level is so high. Secures down, doesn't wiggle. Plenty of rope. I'd say that's about 6 foot. 3M tape on the back with a status light and press a button pretty easy. That's the nicest button I've ever had for my Govee products. This is like a silk, so it definitely moves easy. Oh, they put a bunch on here automatically. These are already on there. They just don't have the hook. I hope they don't think you're going to tear them apart to put these on there. What a mess. Oh, it's because there's another thing in here. Sorry guys. I just kind of got mad that they put it out in the rain like that. That's not cool. It's not a little rainstorm. It's raining. Okay. Undo these. Let's set it up a little bit for you guys. Doesn't look like I have to let them sit for a while. They're coming right apart. This is great. Shake it a few times. Drop you guys on the floor. And look at that. They'll be straight right away. I don't see any problems of having to lay them out, which is awesome. Let's go put them up and get a live stream going. This is the worst hanging job I could possibly do. But I'm trying to get the video done and get them hung up. Make sure they work before I put so much effort into them. It's kind of like measuring twice, cutting once. I just want to make sure they work before I put a lot of effort into it. So I just kind of threw it up on my wall. First time plugging in. Yeah, I got a rinky-dink thing going right now. I'm trying to get everything ready for the stream. And you guys just seen that. And I forgot my phone. Oh, there's my phone. Okay, it's doing all kinds of weird stuff. Hey Google, make my lights 50%. So if I get the spacing right, that'd look really good. I know, trim isn't on right now. I'm gonna push this button and see what it does. Nothing's lit up on the... Oh, it just shuts it off. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's super cool. Shut it off, turn it back on, does the same thing. What if I hold it? Does it do anything? Push it twice, push it once. So on and off. Big old switch for just on and off. Let's go ahead and use the app. I got Bluetooth on and Wi-Fi. Go ahead and push plus sign. And it already found it. You guys see it? Found it right there. Connecting. Short press on the on and off button. Maybe I didn't press it. Smart lights. We're gonna call them just curtain lights. Curtain lights. Just face the lights and check if they position correctly. Yep. That was just telling you put the box on the left side, not the right. Type in my Wi-Fi password. And that's 2.5 gigahertz, so I'm probably gonna have to switch it. Dang it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to switch it. Or that's 5 gigahertz, not 2.5, so yep, failed. Okay, so I'm gonna have to connect to one that's 2.5 gigahertz. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Connecting, and it's connected. Hopefully you guys can see all that. Device is off. That's all it gives you. Oh, there we go. I'm wondering when all that was gonna pop up. So when you turn it on, it all comes on. I want to see what the brightness does. How low it can go. Turn the brightness up. Snapshot. What's snapshot? It'll put a picture up there? No. No pictures. So let's just go through it. Effect Lab. Looks like a diamond. Okay, timer, self-explanatory. I could not get snapshot to do something. Let's see. Let's click on that little button, snapshot. Yeah, let's not bore you guys with that. Mode. It'll go to music, scene. If you guys have any Govee products, you know how this stuff works. Sunset. Oh, that's cool. That's the sun going down right in the middle. If I get it open enough. See the sun going down? Let's do a meteor. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. That's a mushroom. Bunch of mushrooms at the bottom. I definitely gotta do some work with this and get it set up right. So meteors are my coolest so far. Planet. Let's leave it on that. What's festival? Christmas? Christmas, Santa Claus. I guess that looks like Santa. I don't know about that. Christmas gift. Oh, we got countdown here. 10, 9, 8. Okay, that's cool. I like that. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Here's funny. What's this? Bouncing ball? Oh, that's cool. Okay. Crossing. Tic-tac-toe. They're playing tic-tac-toe. Racing. Okay, so I can use a lot of this for my live stream. This is cool. Dot Eater, which is just Pac-Man. Yeah, I gotta get this set up right. This is cool. So the presets in here make it worth it. There's a maze. Gotta get out of a maze. A lot of this isn't gonna look good because it's called funny. There's a seahorse. The swan. I don't know if people would actually notice on my peach checkers. That's cool. Rainbow swirl. Ah, there's too much. I could go through this all day. So, looks like I have a snapshot. Let's see if it'll put something up there. I'm I'm gonna try something simple. This is just a barrel. Barrel looks like that. Just a barrel I seen the other day. And it's having problems already. You gotta crop the barrel in there. Name it. Confirm. Confirm. Go to snapshots. Apply. I applied it. Apply successful. It didn't do nothing. Applied successful. Now I gotta put on DIY. I think that's more for another day. So there's this little camera button you hit, and then you can put any picture you want in there. I haven't got that part to work. Let's go under settings, see what's here. Switch installation, which is cool. I can put the thing on the other side, which is what I'm hoping to do. Ain't much on that. Well, we'll do it more in depth once I get it all set up. Thanks for watching.